Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to graph a square root function. Okay? We graph a bunch of functions already. Today, we're going to see how to graph a square root of function. Okay? A square root of function is a function that has a variable under the radical. For example, you see y equal radical x. Okay? So the variable is under the radical. So we're going to graph the original function first before we graph other functions. Okay? Let's graph the first one. The first function, we're going to use table. Okay? Y equal square root of x. Okay? We're going to use a table to graph this function. To graph square root of function, the only thing you have to remember, any number you're gonna plot, you're gonna replace under the radical must be a number that will give you a perfect square. Okay, that will give you a perfect square. You remember the perfect square numbers are 4. Let me write it down for you. We have 4. Let's write 0 first. We have 1, 0, 1, we have 4, and we have also 9, we have 16, and we have 25, and so on. Okay, those are these square root, those numbers will give you a perfect square. For example, square root of 0 will be 0, square root of 1 will be 1, square root of 4 will be 2, square root of 9 will be 3, square root of 16 will be 4, square root of 25 will be 5. Okay? So, that are the numbers you should plot. You should replace x by in order to have the perfect square. Okay? That will be nicer, that will be easier to use those numbers. Okay? So, we're going to start plotting numbers. Okay? So let's do the table. Okay, x, y. So this is the function we're going to graph. Let's see. So y equal square root of 0. Let's plot 0 right here. Square root of 0 is 0. So that's 0. Okay. We can plot 1 because 1 has a perfect square. Okay. 1 has a square. Square root of 1 is 1. Okay? 1, give me 1. So let's plot 4. So you will have y equal square root of 4 will be 2. Square root of 4 will be 2. Okay? 4, 2. So we can use 9. Can use 9. Okay? Square root of 9 will be 3. Okay? 9 will be 3. Okay. Basically, we don't need more points. We can consider those points, okay, to graph this radical function, okay, this square root of function. Let's do that. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's negative numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7. That's negative numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's x, that's y. So we're going to plot the point. We have those points right here. So that's going to be easy to see. Okay, 0, 0 is the center. You plot the center right here. And we have 1, 1. 1, 1, 1 right here. Okay, for you. We have 4, 2, 4, 2 right here. Yeah, 2 right here. And we have 9, 3, 9. Okay, let's put a point for 9 right here for you. 9. Okay, so we have point 9, 3. So that's 3 right there. Okay, right there. So now that's gonna be our graph. Very good. So that's basically our graph. That's our graph. Perfect. Yes. That's the original graph. Okay. Remember the thing you have to remember, and you cannot put. You're not allowed to put a number. For example, 2 right here. You can put a 2, but it's gonna be difficult to graph a decimal number. It's better to put, for example, the perfect squared numbers. Okay, the perfect squared numbers. That's the first example. Let's do the second example for you. The second example. Second example. The second example, we will have y equal square root of x plus 4. Okay, plus 4. Let me write it bigger for you. Bigger. Plus 4. Okay. Okay, we're gonna grab this function. We're gonna make a table first. Okay, table. Okay. Make a table. Alright, let's see what we can put here. Alright, we can put 0, because when we put 0 right here, 0 plus 4 will be 4, radical 4 will be 2, okay? Or you can say square root of 4 will be 2. So let's put 0. If I put 0 right here, so this, look at, plus 4, so radical 4 will be 2, okay? 2. So that's 2 right here, okay? So another number we can put 0. We can put 0. We put 0 already. We can put negative 4. Negative 4. So look at, we can put negative 4. Negative 4 plus 4. That's gonna be 0 right here. So y gonna be 0, okay? If I put negative 4, when x equals negative 4, y will be 0. So let's see what number we can put. Another number we can put 5. Yeah, we can put 5. We can put 5 right here, because 5 plus 4 will be 9, okay? Square root of 9 will be 3. So let's put 5. 5 plus 4. Okay, if I put 5 right here, so look at 5 plus 4 will be 9. Square root of 9 will be 3. Okay, 3. Okay, so to make you see, square root of 9 will be 3. So 3 right here. So I may repeat. Let me repeat. If I put 5 right here, I replace x by 5. So 5 plus 4 will be 9. Square root of 9 will be 3. That's why I have 3 right here. Let me see what number I can put. Okay, let me see what number. Yes, I can put 12. Yes, yeah, I can put 12, because 12 plus 4 will be 16. Square root of 16 will be 4. I can put 12. Okay, let me put 12 for you. 12, y equal square root of 12 plus 4. That's going to be square root of 60. That's going to be 4. Okay. So when I put 12 right here, so I will have 4. Why gonna be 4? Because 12 plus 4 will be 16. 16. So square root of 16 will be 4. So let me put 12 right here, and that's gonna be 4. Okay. So let's grab this one. Let's grab this one. So that's number 9. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative numbers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. I have to put more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 answers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative numbers. So this is the X, this is the Y. Perfect. 0, 2, 0, 2, we're gonna have right here. 0, 2, 0, 2. Negative 4, 0. Negative 4, 0 right here. 5, 3. 5, 3 right here. Look at 5, 3. 5, 3. Okay, 5, 3. So you have 12, 4, 12, 4, 12. Okay, 12 can be all the way down. So we don't even need this point. So it's right there. We already see what graph we're gonna have. So the graph we're gonna have is graph like that. Yeah, perfect. Okay, perfect. That arrow graph. So that's very nice graph. All you have to remember when you graph square root function, make sure the number you plot, is a number that you can have perfect square. Okay, for example, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, because all those numbers have a perfect square. Okay, so let's grab the third one very fast. Okay, very quick. Very quick. Let's grab this one. Pretty much the last graph we're gonna do. Yes. Let's do the last one. This one. So let's grab this one for you. Square root of x minus 2 and plus 3. Okay. So this one, even though you see this one has more components, that's going to be the same thing you're going to do. Just look for the possible numbers, a number that, when you plot this number right here, when you subtract from 2, you have to be sure, so the square root of this number will be a perfect square, okay? So that's what we're going to do. Let's do the table, okay? X and Y. Alright, we have Y equal. So, if I plot 0 not going to be right, 0 is not going to work right here, because 0 minus 2, radical negative 2 is going to be impossible. So therefore, we can plot 2, okay? Because 2 minus 2 will be 0, square root of 0 will be 0, plus 3 will be 3, okay? So, we can plot 2, okay? Look at 2 minus 2 plus 3. So 2 minus 2 will be 0 plus 3. You know that square root of 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. Y equals 3. Okay? Perfect. Let's see what number we can plot. Okay, we can plot 3 because 3 minus 2 will be 1. Square root of 1 will be 1 plus 3. Okay, let's plot 3. Okay. So, it's going to be 3 minus 2 plus 3 right here. So, it's going to be 3 minus 2, that's going to be 1. So, square root of, square root of 1 will be 1. 1 plus 3. Okay? So, 1 plus 3, that's going to be 4. 4. Perfect. Okay? 4. Okay? So, let's see what number we can plot to see. Let's see. Okay, we can plot 6. Look at 6 minus 2 will be 4 because 4 will have a perfect square. Okay? 4. So, let's plot 6. Okay? 6. See? So, y equals square root of 6 minus 2 plus 3. So, that's going to be 6 minus 2. That's going to be square root of 4 plus 2. So, you know what square root of 4? Square root of 4, that's 2. 2 plus 2, that's going to be 4. Y equals 4. Yes. So, perfect. We can graph with those 3 points. Okay, we don't need more. So, just do it. Let's do it. So, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative numbers, okay? Do not forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative numbers. Okay, perfect. So this is the X, this is the Y. Okay, so we're going to plot this point. So 2, 3, 2, 3, right here, right here, right here. Okay, 3, 4, 3, 4, right here, 3, 4, right here. Okay, 3, 4. Right here. 6, 4, 6, 4. 6, 4 right here. So now, perfect. That's a very nice graph. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Alright, I believe you can understand how to graph square root of function, okay, by knowing correctly the perfect square numbers, okay? The perfect square numbers, remember that, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. We have more, but we don't need more when we are about to graph. We don't need more, okay? We know 49, 100, 81, but we don't need more, okay? As long as you know you can plot the square root numbers, you're good. And then you know how to make a table, okay, to graph square root of function, okay? Square root function. If you have questions regarding how to graph square root function, okay, just go to my website and then you will see, the videos about how to graph square root function. Please share my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for all people who share my videos, to friends, to students. Very nice. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you.